All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to make a rough draft of our first body paragraph. Last week, what we did is we made a rough draft of our topic paragraph, and today we're going to get into the body paragraph. But before we do that, we're going to do some editing. So what I want you to do is I want you to open up your rough draft document from last week. I returned this to you. And so what I want you to do is I want you to open that up. And the way you search that is to type rough draft topic into your drive. So it'll look something like this. Here's my drive. I just put rough draft topic and it'll show up right here, rough draft topic. Okay, click on that and it should bring you to our assignment from last week that you turned in. We're going to add to that every week. All right. So now that you have your topic, you are going to reread your paragraph from last week and you are going to edit it. So you're going to make sure you have 5 to 7 sentences, you have capital letters and punctuation, you have a complete sentence with the subject and the verb. Okay, so if I look here at mine from last week, I'm going to look it over. Oh, I got something spelled. Oh, I'm missing a comma there. Okay. I've got 7 sentences. Okay, good. Looks like I have what I need. If I had spelling errors or anything, I would have to fix that. But right now it looks like I have everything I need. So that one is edited. I have capital letters and punctuation. I have complete sentences with subjects and verb. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to write a rough draft for my body paragraph number 1. So last week I did the rough draft topic. Today I'm doing the rough draft cluster 1. Okay, so how did I find the information to make this paragraph? Well, what I did is I went to my cluster that I had done a couple weeks ago and I looked at what I wanted to really kind of dive into this week. So I chose like this responsibility section right here, and that's what I chose to write about. And you'll see over here in my example that I talk about going to the Humane Society with my brother who really wanted this dog, and how we chose this animal. But then I put my foot down and I didn't want any of the responsibility for this. So that is my rough draft cluster for body paragraph number 1. Okay. And then when you're done with this, you are going to resubmit this paper for your grade. You're going to resubmit the draft topic paper that you already submitted last week, the one that has your first paragraph on it, and you're going to add to it with your second paragraph. That's what you're going to resubmit. You should have 2 paragraphs, and we'll be adding another paragraph to it next week. If you did not do this last week, you will need to do that first before you start this week. Okay? All right.